Hi, this is Shalvi from Speed News. I welcome you in today's fresh news bulletins. According to an official statement, as many as 1.28 lakh coronavirus-related public grievances have been filed with central government. In this light, Minister of State for Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Jitendra Singh, has now launched feedback call centers in different cities and languages. He also interacted live with the citizens having grievances. Gaurav Bansal, a man in Delhi, decided to end his own life and hired a juvenile to execute the killing so that his family could get the insurance money. Police said that Bansal was under an acute financial stress. The man had paid around 60,000 to execute his killing, while the insurance amount was around about 10 lakhs. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray has approved the proposal to start schools in a phased manner across the state, prompting the Education Department to release instructions on the same, including a detailed standard operating procedure on how the plan would be rolled out. According to reports, not being able to bear the loss of Sushant Singh Rajput's death, his sister-in-law Sudha Devi, who was dealing with prolonged illness and had stopped eating after she heard of actor's death, passed away when the actor was being cremated. A monkey named Kalua, a native of Mirzapur district, has bitten over 250 persons in Mirzapur, of whom one died. According to the reports, Kalua was a pet monkey of local oculist who would regularly give him liquor. When the oculist died, Kalua stopped getting liquor and became aggressive. This monkey has created terror in Mirzapur. Now it has been decided that he will remain in captivity for all his life. Maharashtra government through State Water Resources Department has decided to use 28 acres of unused land in the vicinity of Khadakwasla Dam in Pune to set up amusement park, water sports, multi-purpose pavilion, a village theme, a restaurant and a resort. The said place will become a new tourist destination near the city. An earthquake of magnitude 5.8 hit Jammu and Kashmir. Officials said this is the third to hit the Union territory in 3 days. However, there are no reports of any damage. US has revoked emergency use of hydroxychloroquine to treat coronavirus, as the US Food and Drug Administration has indicated that they can cause deadly side effects. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain was admitted as he developed COVID-19 symptoms and complained of difficulty in breathing. The test for novel coronavirus was done and the results are fortunately negative. An official release said that India has joined the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, that is GPAI, as a member, joining the other leading nations and economies including US, UK, France, Australia and many others. GPAI is an international and multi-stakeholder initiative to guide responsible development and use of artificial intelligence, the release said. We end up with today's news bulletins. Let's meet tomorrow with new and fresh bulletins.